Guys, welcome back to my channel Coding Void, and guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make our snake game look more beautiful. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before starting the video, if you haven't watched the part 1 of how to make a snake game on Scratch, then watch it, link is in the description below. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so first of all we will make our snake look a bit more like a snake. So first let's go in the fill and take this color. Let's make this paint size a bit smaller and like that. Yes, now you can see that it's looking a bit more beautiful and it is looking like a snake. Now we will do one more thing. We will just put this in the middle and now we will duplicate it. Now in the costume 1 we will take a paintbrush. We will take black color and we will draw two eyes like this. Okay, so now you will see that whenever I put eyes, then the snake is looking more beautiful. So yeah, now our snake is looking more beautiful and is looking like a snake. Now we will make this food look better. We will make it a circle. Okay, okay. Yep, like that. Now it is looking like food of snake, and whenever we eat, our snake grows up a little bit. And now our game is looking pretty good. And now what we will do is we will make a nice little background for our game. We will choose a background. We will choose this blue sky. Yep. Yeah. Now it is looking very nice and is also looking like a game. But in the last video I told that we will make a win and lose system in this game. So let's start making it. First let's start with the win system. So first of all we will create another variable which will be food. Enter. And now we will make a large readout of that. Okay, so now what we will do is we will go in the food and in the variables we will say change the food by 1. Now you can see that whenever we eat food, our score or the food variable gets increased by 1. So now let's make a win system in this game. For that, what we will do is we will go in the snake and we will say that when flag is clicked, forever, if we will go in the operators and then we will say that if food is equal to 50, then broadcast a message and that message should be you win. Okay, so now we will paint another sprite. We will make it a bit dark like a black color. Now we will go in the text. We will choose white color and then we will type you win. Enter. And oops. Now we will make this bigger and bring it in the middle. Now let's type x0 and y0 over here. Okay, so now we will say that when flag is clicked, hide, and when I receive you win, show, and then show, and then we will say that stop all. So now if you see that whenever we eat food, the variable is growing by 1. But now it directly went to 8. That is because I didn't set it to 0 when starting. Then we will say that set food to 0. Okay, so now you will see that when I restart the game, the variable of food is going to 0. Now, for testing of our U-Win system, instead of 50, we will put like 2 over here. Okay, so now whenever I eat this fruit or the food of snakes and my score goes to 2, it displays you win. That means our you win system is working. Now we will set this back to 50. And one more thing that I wanted to do is I wanted to set our snake's position to the middle of the screen, which is x0 and y0 and starting. So now you can see that it's very nice. And whenever we start the game, it is going to the starting. So now we will say that when flag is clicked, hide, and when I start as a clone, so okay, nice. Now let's make a you lose system in our game. For making that, we will have to make a sprite just like this, but instead of you win, we will have to put you lose over there. So we will just delete this and then we will say you lose. Okay. Now we will make it the bigger. Now we will make it like this. Okay, so now it is in the middle. And instead of you win, we will broadcast another message which is gonna be when flag is clicked forever if touching the edge broadcast you lose. Okay, you lose. So now over here we will say that you lose. So now if you see, then whenever I touch the edge, it displays you lose on the screen. Okay. We will put this go to x0, y0 under another when flag is clicked. So it will work more properly. Okay, so now our game is ready. Yep, our game is ready. You can play it with your friends, with your family members. You can play it anywhere. And yeah, this was all for today. If you enjoyed the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.